What's up guys, it's your boy CJ. Now it's been a while I did an unboxing. So today in studio, as you can tell from the title, I've got the one-to-one AirPods second generation. Now I don't only have one, but I have two. I'm going to be giving away one pair. So if you would like to win a pair, stick to the end of the video and I'm going to give instructions on how you can win yourself one. Okay, so now I've been seeing posts around on social media of people selling this for about 1,500 kwacha, others at 1,200, and I decided, let me get myself a pair of these because the packaging looks exactly like AirPods, but the price is just too cheap. So a friend of mine hooked me up with one of these. Yeah, to the end of the video, I'll put all that instruction there. So let's get into the unboxing of this one-to-one AirPods second generation. Okay, so getting into the unboxing, first before I actually open this, I remember when I got my pair of these original ones, actually I paid the full price for these. I remember the boxing was actually quite heavy, and as you can hear, yeah, there's rattling in and inside these. So yeah, that's one difference I've noticed. But all right, let's open them now. I don't have an unboxing knife. I'm going to use a nail cutter for these to open these. Oh my goodness, let's get this. Okay. I know, not so satisfying, but hey, hopefully that helps. Okay, so I dented the box there. So yeah, I can't remember the writing on my box for the AirPods, but hey, let's get inside the box. It's pretty tight for sure. Okay. All right, so that's inside the box. As you can see, it has the designed by Apple in California. So you've got your usual books. Okay, usual books. Like I said, I don't remember the books in my ones, but I think they were actually quite small papers. But oh well, that's that. Now, as you can see, here are the AirPods themselves. I'm going to take them out. Wow. Putting this aside, inside here we're supposed to have the charger. Here's the charging cable, and again a bit of inconsistency. I remember in my one this thing actually comes out like that, and then for those that have actually owned the original pair, it's supposed to be like that, so you can easily open like that, but this was actually the other way around. So putting this aside, you've got the cable there. Can't tell if it's original or not. I mean, I don't know. And the packaging also is a bit it's a bit not tidy. Anyway, that aside, our main focus is these. So this one-to-one, actually the second generation with the wireless charging case. So this charging case is wireless, so later on we're going to test out if it can charge wirelessly. So how do we get inside this? Okay, okay, that's some more papers, and here are the AirPods second generation, the one-to-one, for six. I actually got this for 600 kwacha. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to open the case. Wow, oh my goodness. Okay, so here are my second generation ones. This one doesn't have the wireless charging case. Actually, this is the normal charging case, but it's still the second generation. So as you can see, I mean, they look alike. Wow. Okay, the button is in the middle. Yeah, the wireless charging case has button in the middle, and this one for the one without the wireless charging case, it's down below, but it's the same. Weight wise, they actually feel the same. Weight wise, oh wow. Okay, so yeah, why don't we pair these up and see how they actually perform? Um, I'm gonna grab my iPad and see. Okay, so it brings the message saying not your AirPods. So it says connect. So I'm gonna click connect there, and then you hold the button behind. Connecting. Okay, there we have it. It's connected with a 77% battery on the AirPods themselves and 59% battery on the case. So as you can see, AirPods right there. So it connects, and wow, it's showing everything that's normal. It's even brought up my actual name. Okay, it's because AirPods. Okay, wow. Okay, that's interesting. Oh my goodness, like I'm still so amazed at how these are so. Is this? Let's see. Um. Wow. Okay, these really do look similar. Okay, as you can tell, for the original ones I bought for this actual price, from the hinge behind here, you can tell. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but you can tell it's a bit darker, and then this one is lighter. So maybe that may be some of the differences. And then the hinge inside. Let's try to get the focus on. I don't know if you can see. The hinge still also looks a bit lighter on these ones. Okay, so let me compare actually. By the way, I'm not comparing these. I'm just trying to see how these actually, are. Like, how can you have AirPods for that price? And do they sound as good? Okay, so I remember a video that I watched that compares these. They said the microphone, the speakers inside have, don't know if you can tell, but the speakers have, you can tell that there are two speakers here. From these ones, I think you can also tell. I'm seeing them right now, but it's not as visible as the original ones are. Now, I hope I don't end up swapping these later on. So I'm just gonna put this back in here. Okay, so yeah, these are the second generation one-to-one AirPods. Okay, so now that we've actually connected and seen how closely these look to the actual original priced AirPods, I'm going to try the audio quality because I believe now that's the actual important part. Like, how do they sound? Already we've concluded that you can actually flex in these, and nobody's going to tell. Like, they're not gonna know if these are actually, you know, not the original ones. Okay, so let's test out the audio. Um, well, let's open some music. I'm gonna open my YouTube and gonna search for some non-copyright music, of course, because we don't want any troubles. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, I wish I could make you guys hear the sounds, but when you connect your AirPods, it makes that ding sound, and in these ones the sound is a bit muffled, I would say. Like, it just doesn't sound that good. Okay, they're connected. I'm gonna play, yeah, this. Okay. I didn't have to go to listen to music that much to be able to tell the difference. So in audio quality, there's definitely a difference. They do work, they do sound great, but compared to the actual ones, the sound in these is, you can feel the difference. And even when you put them on, the original ones, you hear a bit of like noise cancelling. It's not actual noise cancelling, but sound around you is actually cancelled a bit. So sound wise, they sound okay, not as great as the original ones, but they sound okay and they work pretty fine. Okay, let's test some audio actually, the microphones rather, because most people actually be using these to speak. So I'm gonna open the voice memo app and try get some recordings in. Hello, testing mic 1 2. This is CJ speaking from the AirPods 1-1. Yeah. Hello, testing mic 1 2. This is CJ speaking from the AirPods 1-1. Yeah. Okay, if you can hear, yeah, that's the audio from them. Um, AirPods audio quality is not so great. Also, even on the original ones, even on the Pros, actually, it doesn't sound as great as other um, wireless earphones I've actually tried. But the audio quality from the microphone on these ones actually sounds great. See, I still had them in my ear because that's just how that's how comfortable these ones actually are. One thing I need to check is if you can, change the settings on these. So I believe it says Chipego's AirPods. Okay. So as you can see, it has the normal settings of the actual AirPods. So I can rename them. I can decide which features the double tap actually has. So for the left side, I can say play and pause. The right side, say next track, previous track. Let's see if that actually works. If that actually works, the play and pause. So it's playing. Okay, I was tapping multiple times. I don't know why, but normally I'm just supposed to tap once. But anyway, they worked, so I'm going to play now. I just tapped, but nothing. Okay, there we go. It's worked. Okay, so yeah, functionality actually, they are just as functional as the actual um AirPods. Now, like I said, this is the wireless charging case. So let's try out the wireless charging functionality. I'm gonna grab the pad, wireless charging pad here, and place it on top. Okay, no response there. I don't know why. Maybe it's my wireless charging pad. Let me try one more time. That's strange. Okay, so I had to try out, multiple cables for my charging pad. I don't know why it wasn't working. So I don't know if it's a problem with the AirPods themselves or my charging pad. But I tried plugging them in with an actual lightning cable, and as you can see from the orange light, which is still kind of faint, that they are charging. Even when I connect them to the iPad, it shows both the battery and the case are charging. So yeah, the wireless charging functionality, I don't know if it's a fault with the AirPods themselves or it's my charging pad, because I'm placing them but nothing. Yeah, I think it's actually my charging pad. Okay, so that's it with the small unboxing or the short video unboxing of these AirPods 1-1, the second generation AirPods 1-1. Yeah. Okay, now before I actually get to the end of this video, I want to try one thing. I want to try place these ones and see if they'll charge wirelessly with the case. Again, I'll try not to swap them, so I'm going to take these out. I will place them there, and I'll grab my iPad just to see. So then I'm going to grab my ones and place them into these. They fit perfectly. It says they're charging and they're fully charged because they've been in this case. So it says they're charged. So looks like the case still works to wirelessly charge. the AirPods themselves. Let's bring it thing one more time. Okay, now it's not bringing up the thing, so let me just try add the widget, the battery charging widget, so we can actually see that they are charging. I'm going to add this one. Okay, it's no longer bringing up the case. I don't know why, but yeah, it says they are fully charged, as you can see. So I think the case actually still works. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Can you rock these AirPods without anyone knowing? Like, can you actually spend $600 or slightly more for these and nobody will be able to tell? Yes, you can, because the sound just as good, the functionality is great. Nobody's going to know. Like, nobody is going to know. So, to participate in the giveaway, 4 simple things you need to do. Number one, like the video and leave a comment down below saying anything with the hashtag UnboxedWithCJ. I'll be picking the winners from the comments. You must also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and must be following me on Twitter or Instagram. Also, if you're retweeting it or sharing it, you must use the hashtag UnboxedWithCJ. So this is only for my Zambian people. But if you'd like to get yourself a pair of these, you can still hit up my boy CK for 600 kwacha. His Instagram details are in the description down below. Hope you guys like this video. I'll catch you in the next one.